Riri mirurumo ya muthako wa gonya guku bururi-ini niyo National Rugby Circuit irorete gutirihwo. Wikendi no mihang'o ino igakorwo kaunti-ini ya Kisumu kuria Dalas Sevens ikanyita thinga. Gukiri uguo Kirabu ya Kisumu RFC nikigunikite na kimanjika gya ciringi mirioni imwe kuma kuri kambuni ya wendia wa maguta ma ngari ya Shell niguo gutabania Mbitika ici. Akiaria hingo ya kuneana kigina kiu murugamiriri wa wendia wa kambuni ya Vivo Energy Stephen Gikonyo ni augite ni meguthie na mbere na ukuria wa muthako uyu gicigo-ini giki kia Western kiria nikio kirutite athaki aingi makiria timu-ini cia bururi muthako-ini uyu mwena wa rume.
We are looking at enhancing our partnership with the people of Western Kenya, and we believe by coming to join you this weekend in their tournament, and that's another way of interacting with the fraternity of Western Kenya.
Nake munini wa muikariri giti wa Kirabu gya Kisumu RFC agacokia ngatho akiuga megutigirira muthako uyu ni wa kuraikirino ciothe gicigo-ini kia Western.
There'll be explosive rugby going on, a lot of teams playing. And last year Dala didn't do too well because of the political climate, and we hope that this year, because things are now peaceful in that part of the world, we'll have good attendance, and all the teams will come and feature.
Athaki aria makuruhanitio guthakira Simba gwetha tigiti wa gutungata thini wa Mbitika cia thi muthako-ini uyu mwaka turorete mekuhuthira ngucanio cia Dalas Sevens ta wihariria wao. Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.